What's up, YouTube? So, like, if you're watching this right now, it's because you're considering having a distal bicep surgery, like I did. Um, yeah. So I just hurt myself catching somebody that was falling off a ladder, and it busted my tendon. Simple as that. I'm 48 years old. I'm not a bodybuilder. I work a lot, and I'm pretty physical in my activities. Uh, really I had considered not having the surgery, but I watched a lot of videos and I read a lot, and ultimately I decided to have it done. So basically, I watched a couple of videos by a guy named Kevin Gardner, and also by what's his name, Paul Walkelbinger, whatever. Both of those guys were very helpful, and they helped me out in making my decision. Ultimately, I did decide to do it, and I'm glad that I did. So, if you're considering not doing the surgery, I highly recommend that you get it done. My surgery was not, titanium rod drilling through the arm or nothing like that. My surgeon, Dr. Otto, here in San Antonio, she's awesome. Um, she basically used sutures and screws to put my tendon back. Um, and I got the cast. It was her insistence, even though I asked for a range of motion brace. Um, this allowed me to go back to work. I basically took 2 days off. I took 2 days sick time to have the surgery, and I took a week's vacation. I didn't lose any money, and then I was back to work in a week, on light duty, of course. I have the cast for 30 days. I can't stress that how helpful it's been. I hate casts. I don't want to be in a cast. I know you don't want to be in a cast, but it's necessary. It's necessary for healing and going back to work if that's what you want to do, which is what I wanted to do. I didn't want to sit at home for 6 to 8 weeks. I didn't want to lose that money. And I actually am scheduled to get the cast off tomorrow. It's been 30 days now, and I'm going to get a range of motion brace, which I'm going to be in for 30 days. And then, I'll be doing physical therapy and all that stuff. But if you're really concerned, I'd say do it. And I actually found out just before I was going to surgery, there was a guy I work with. I wasn't aware, but he busted his distal tendon at 19. It's been 15 years, and he did not have it fixed, and he was not able now to move his wrist any more than that. That's it. And he's also complaining about pain in his arm. I have read a couple of reports where someone had the surgery done 13 years after his initial injury, and it took just fine. But really, there's a short window of time to, optimal time to get that surgery done. So get it done. Don't waste your time. Don't, worry about whether you should or shouldn't do it. Just do it. Get it done. If you have to, look into the different options that you have. Look into different surgeons. I didn't really have to look very far. My surgeon, I was confident with her right off the bat, right from the get-go. And I met her, and she had already scheduled surgery for me for the following day. And I was there for a day, basically, came home, and here I am. Pain meds and all that stuff. I had a catheter with in the neck, actually. It wasn't like, downstairs. And it was delivering pain medication to me for a couple of days with a steady drip. It was pretty awesome. I really liked it. So anyway, I'll try to find the links for these guys, so you can look at their videos, because they really helped me out a lot, and kind of eased my mind in my decision. And I'm glad I did it. And hopefully I'll make another video as I recover. But good luck in your decision, and I hope you make the right choice, like I did. Take care.